morning, dear children. I, Ankur Mehta,
And I, Anuradha Sharma.
welcome you all in today's craft activity of Summer Splash 2020. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying the activities of Summer Splash. So let us move on to our today's craft activity. Today we are going to make a handbag for girls and a wallet for boys. So we are going to start with handbag for girls first. Materials required for the handbag are Fevicol, studs to decorate, stapler, Velcro, and one handmade A3 size printed sheet. Children, you can choose any color and any print. Keep your materials ready. We are going to start now. Fold your handmade sheet like this. Make one fold like this at the base of your purse. Now this is the flap of your purse. Make a small cut on both the sides like this. Fold it. Now using stapler, fix it. Apply Fevicol. Give it the shape of purse like this, but folding inside. Now we have to apply Velcro. Purse is ready now. Children, you can use anything else instead of Velcro also. Now this is our handle. You have to fold the sheet 3-4 times to make a handle like this in a strip form and fix it on your purse like this. Now the purse is ready. Now we are going to decorate our purse. You can decorate your purse like the way you want. We are going to decorate by using studs like this. Children, we are done with our decoration part. Looks beautiful. You can keep anything inside it. So now the handbag is ready. Now let us start making wallet for boys. For this you need one purple color sheet A3 size and one printed paper. You have to fold the sheet like this. Cut 2 strips of equal size. Fold it like this in a zigzag manner. One on this side and one on other side. It will look like this. Now start inserting to make the compartments of your wallet. Take the printed sheet and paste it.
नेक्स्ट ईयर तो मैं कहेगी
Apply Velcro. Close your wallet. You can use anything else instead of Velcro. Now your wallet is ready. It's nice, isn't it? Children, I hope you all enjoyed the activity. So it's time to say goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.